When I first came to the United States, one of my biggest challenges was the language barrier. And you all know that I was already fluent and felt comfortable talking in English. So, what do I mean by language barrier then? I realized something important. Communication is more than just words. It's about being open, trying your best, and not being afraid of making mistakes. And I told myself, when in Rome, do as the Romans. I started speaking like them with confidence, and sometimes think like them. I didn't let fear hold me back. The more I practiced, the more confident I became, and everything became more and more natural to me. If you are struggling with language, don't worry. You are not alone. Whether it is English or another language, learning a new language is challenging, but it is also one of the most powerful tools you'll ever have. Follow me for tips on improving your English and gaining confidence in speaking. Together, we will break down the language barrier.